If you have added multiple videos to your watch later playlist and want to delete them all, then here is how you can do it quickly. Follow these steps. Firstly, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen or your initials shown there. Now from there you can see watch later option available in the playlist. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on the watch later playlist, in order to delete them all at once, tap on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen. So you'll have to watch them all in order to delete them all at once. But if you want to delete them manually, then simply tap on the three dot right next to the video and tap on the remove. For more easy option, you can also slide to the left and you can see the remove option available there and remove it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.